as well park in their parking lot. You got an 8 o'clock. Got a morning appointment for them. I don't think it's this one that's so important for the appointment. It's the next one. That's the one I really got to worry about. It might be this one though, I'm not really sure. Got 2 back-to-backs. This ramp's like a gigantic circle. That's the middle of the circle. So we stay on this southbound part. Cut the jakes off. I'll need to piss off the neighborhood. Loud ass truck by itself. Don't need to add to it. I know it's weird, even if it's cold, I always roll the window down when I'm looking for places. I don't know, it's like it's gonna yell at me, here I am! Just feel more in tune with what I'm looking for. I may have been here before. The fun part, you never really know. Can't go that way either. That road dead ends. As long as I can get on that WWII road. Now WWII road's right down the block from it, so it's gotta be. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. More of a main drag. No, it's not. Okay, so now we're just going pretty far away from it. Passing 1,000 ways to turn around. Well, if this left won't do it, then we're gonna have to pull over and figure it out. Can I make a legal left on Salem? I see no signs. Next one it wants is Wildwood. You know, and I did that other video about going through that little town in New York. Loud truck goes through quiet little town at night. I wasn't trying to be loud. It's just this truck by its nature is loud. I wasn't trying to be loud. I know somebody commented, "You should run your Jake brakes." Yeah, okay. First of all, I don't think the Jakes are all that loud in this thing. Although my pipes do stick out sideways. And they are 5-inch straights. They're not, they look like muffler screens. They're just straight stuck in that muffler screen. But, nah, there's just no need to be running Jake brakes at that kind of time at night in a little bitty town like that, just to piss people off. These big diesels, just by their nature, they're loud. This Wildwood's a good one. It should be around this right-hand bend, or right around this left-hand bend, be a left turn. Wildwood, a good road. Looks like it is. I like coming through here at night is because there's nothing around. So if you mess up, it's easy to get spun around, turned around. I mean, yeah, it's dark, but there's no traffic. Doing it in the daytime, you're fighting traffic, trying to figure it out. You know, can I go down this road? No. Can I go down that road? No. And all the cars are all pissy at you. They're like, oh, get out of the way, get out of the way. Nah, there ain't nothing to worry about. It's just sleep in their parking lot. Gotta be creative sometimes. But yeah, it is that side of trucking, man, if you can do it. Always better to get in there in the middle of the night. Dead end, practically facing the interstate. Should make this left. I don't remember how to get out of here. but it's that right there. Ain't in anybody's way, so I can go check it out. Find exactly where I'm parking. And make sure that top one was still running. Nardone right there, yep. So let's figure out a plan of attack. Where do I want to park? Well, if I have to, I can back over this curb. It's at an angle, but in the morning there'll probably be cars parking here. So I'm going to assume out of the way would be up against the dock. Then I got a blind side in. So I think the planet has little generators back there, yeah. Probably not the dock doors. Should back up to that gate. Cool. All right. They probably got equipment back here to lift it. Either that or this is the one that was important. They got to rent a piece of equipment to get it off. They should be getting that cooler on the back. So all right. So as long as you don't hit this pole. Wait a minute, I'm being stupid. This curb's the same deal. Anything gonna mess me up? Now if I back up, I just gotta watch the clearance of my bumper. I can get over this. All right. So what we'll do is we'll come up over here, swing it around. I'll angle it out the other side of that pole, basically do a U-turn, set up like I'm backing into that loading dock right there. Beautiful. A little chilly. Ooh, a little chilly out there. Brr, 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 brr. All right. Very happy. Yep. Watch for headlights. I'm gonna back out into the road a little. It's not a busy street. Watch both sides for lights, but I'm already well into the road, so if anybody was going down the road, if they're paying reasonable attention, they'll see it. See, going slow. He was paying attention. That's good. See, I just did that. Those big long trucks are nice. I've had them. The 379 was a pretty long one. It wasn't a stretch frame, but it was pretty nice. This stuff, man, turns around on a dime. Just gotta remember where that phone pole is. Way over there. Way over there. See? There's the vans over there. I'll start cutting it in. See that van? You gotta watch out for that van. Should have thought of that. Fire me. Okay guys, that's it. We made it. We just got parked. Getting ready to cut it off and go to bed. See you on the next video. That'll be us unloading. All right, later. Good night.